Some big traffic news tonight. All hands are on deck for the I-70 bridge's work. Literally, bridge deck pours are happening throughout the project. Segmented concrete pours are setting the riding surface for the bridges, and steel repairs are trekking along. While time has worn down the roads, now time is on our side to have I-70 westbound open soon enough. You might have noticed some pop-up roadblocks as crews get equipment to the scene, but there are no roadblocks when it comes to slated completion.
There's some smaller ramps that will be opening ahead of that, but the next big opening will be, back behind me, the westbound I-70 that is still projected for early November.
And with this increased number of busy workers, be increasingly vigilant when driving around the sites, especially with lane shifts. In the immediate future, no ramps are slated to open just yet, but we can't wait for the brand new bridges to carry us for several years to come.